Hey there, in this video I will teach you how to change the language on NotebookLM. So you're trying to change the language here and you can't find out how you can do it. When you go to settings, there is an option which says output language, but it's not gonna change the entire language of notebook. So what's the solution? All right, the solution is you just simply have to log in to your NotebookLM. Make sure you logged into your account from your email account, then press this plus and make sure you have the same Gmail account here and the Gmail account logged in. So once you are done here, tap this icon and from here manage your Google account. All right, then once you are in this page, just tap in the search option and search for language. So and then this will be the page you will be redirected to. Okay, so once you are in this page, you will find here preferred language, it's English. So you can change it to your desired language. So press this pencil and change the language you want. Alright, so I'm gonna change it to okay, wait a minute. So yeah, let's change it to this and save. Okay, so you will find this after you change it, the entire page will change the language, and when you come back to notebook, just simply refresh the page and there we go. So the language has been changed perfectly, and this is the only way you can do it. So hope this video was helpful, and if you want to change it back to the original language, again go here, tap here and press English. All right, or you can change it to the one you were, United Kingdom. So yeah, this is how you change it back to the original language. So yeah, this is how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.